two, four, six, three, four, four, zero, eight, two, zero, three, Enigma, four, hopeless, one.
Anyways, wasn't expecting to double upload, but I just got sent this disturbing piece of evidence from my friend. So shout out to them. This clip is from Wanden. I don't know who made it, but all I know is it's from the Type Soul Info team. So before I get on with what the radio was saying, let me show you where the radio is. Starting from the gate, go all the way to the left. The radio is gonna be in this house. Not hard to miss, even though I kinda just ran past it. So basically, this radio starts spewing out some random Morse code at a random time. It takes a while for it to speak apparently. And once it does, you'll hear some random numbers and words shown in the clip at the beginning of the video. But that's not just the weird part. Apparently the words and numbers are different for people. Here are some numbers and words my friend was able to decipher. 843 hopeless 31 omni omni for 7 to 186 delta 15. And here's another set. 157 enigma 9 volt to omni 87 to 1615136. No idea what these mean at all, but I've given you guys the info you'll need to help solve this mystery. Well, that's the end of this video. If you were able to solve it, shoot me a DM. Make sure to like and subscribe, because I don't gatekeep anything. Hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye.
ダンジョンで起きたことは外部に漏れないって言ってなかったっけ？てめえ！俺の弟が誰だか知らん！